How to add a custom log level to Python's logging facility. I'd like to have log level trace 5 for my application, as I don't think that debug is sufficient. Additionally, log 5 message isn't what I want. How can I add a custom log level to a Python logger? I have a mylogger.py with the following content. In my code, I use it in the following way. Now I'd like to call self.log.trace_foo_var. Edit, December 8, 2016. I changed the accepted answer to PFAs, which is imho, an excellent solution based on the very good proposal from Eric S.
To people reading in 2022 and beyond, you should probably check out the currently next highest rated answer here, this URL. My original answer is below. At Eric S. Eric S's answer is excellent, but I learned by experimentation that this will always cause messages logged at the new debug level to be printed, regardless of what the log level is set to. So if you make a new level number of 9, if you call seat level 50, the lower level messages will erroneously be printed. To prevent that from happening, you need another line inside the debug function to check if the logging level in question is actually enabled. Fixed example that checks if the logging level is enabled. If you look at the code for class logger and logging._init_.py for Python 2.7, this is what all the standard log functions do, .critical, debug, etc. I apparently can't post replies to others' answers for lack of reputation. Hopefully Eric will update his post if he sees this. Equals.
Combining all of the existing answers with a bunch of usage experience, I think that I have come up with a list of all the things that need to be done to ensure completely seamless usage of the new level. The steps below assume that you are adding a new level trace with value logging.debug, 5 == 5. Logging.add level name logging.debug, 5, trace, needs to be invoked to get the new level registered internally so that it can be referenced by name. The new level needs to be added as an attribute to logging itself for consistency, logging.trace = logging.debug, 5. A method called trace needs to be added to the logging module. It should behave just like debug, info, etc. A method called trace needs to be added to the currently configured logger class. Since this is not 100% guaranteed to be, logging.logger, use logging.getLogger class instead. All the steps are illustrated in the method below. You can find an even more detailed implementation in the utility library I maintain, Haggis. The function haggis.logs.add_logging_level is a more production-ready implementation of this answer.
I took the avoid seeing lambda answer and had to modify where the log_at_my_log_level was being added. I too saw the problem that Paul did. I don't think this works.
Don't you need logger as the first arg in log underscore at underscore my underscore log underscore level? This worked for me.
This question is rather old, but I just dealt with the same topic and found a way similar to those already mentioned which appears a little cleaner to me. This was tested on 3.4, so I'm not sure whether the methods used exist in older versions.